What is up, you guys? Dang it, the lights. Give me a second. Anyways, what is up, you guys? So, I just got some good news because, remember, I told you that it was my birthday last week. And, told you that it was my birthday. So, anyways, so my mom got me a truck, so next year when I get my learners, I'll be able to drive. It's a Dodge Dakota. 2005. Old truck, but you know, old trucks, old Dodges, they're pretty good. So I got some good news about it, and I just got new tires on it. Just repainted it and all that. Got my truck all fixed up for next year. And so yeah, I got my truck all fixed up. And oh yeah, a new mud jug just came in the mail. You know, these mud jugs, they don't spill or anything. Just got my new mud jug, it just came in the mail. It's just a regular old red mud jug. You know, figure I'd go original. Not too long, maybe next month I'll end up getting me the locked and loaded, if they still have any. I'll just have to wait till they came out with some new mud jugs and I'll end up getting one. But yeah, so it's been a good day. Just got my truck all fixed up. So that's good. Oh, by the way, if you're a Dodge fan, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because you know I'm a huge Dodge fan. I got me a Dodge Dakota. It's just gonna be my starter, because you know you start out with a small truck and then you get up to a bigger one. So it's just gonna be my starter, and then I'm gonna end up getting me a Dodge Cummins, maybe in a couple years. Mom already planned that out for me. But I actually got to help out with all the money and stuff, because, you know, I'm not spoiled or anything. But, yeah. So that's pretty much the Dodge thing, and, I'm just going to talk to you guys about, what will be happening next weekend. So, the reason I didn't get to make a video with Dylan this weekend is because, well, my stepdad came in from North Carolina because he works for Smithfield at the feed plant in North Carolina. And he works for the feed, and he's fixing up the new one. So he's not fixing up the slaughterhouse. He's fixing up the feed spot where they get all the feed and stuff in. And he just came in for this weekend. He's leaving tomorrow, so I didn't really get to see Dylan. I was hanging out with him all weekend. And, yeah, so that happened, so I didn't get to make a video with Dylan. I didn't even get to see him. But next weekend, I will be making a video with Dylan. I'm thinking about making a review. Maybe a Hawken wintergreen review, because I got me a can of Hawkins. I'm going to save it for next weekend. So yeah, I'm going to make a review on that. And yeah, I know it's been a short video, but that's really all I had to talk about. So yeah, I'm just going to have to stick with this plain old red mud jug for now. I know it's not much, but it's my first mud jug, so yeah, that's going to have to wrap it up for the video. See you guys later. Remember, like, comment, subscribe if you feel like you need to subscribe, because we'll have more content coming next weekend, and maybe even on Wednesday I'll upload it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys later.